For us, Kaseya equals leverage. It literally lets us do more with less.
Kaseya is literally the tool that enables us to keep the promises that we make our customers and support them in a quick and effective fashion.
My name is Jeff Anderson, and I'm the president of Bulletproof Infotech.
My name is Sean Tyndall. I'm the Chief Technical Officer for Bulletproof Infotech.
Bulletproof is an IT service company, and we focus on small to mid-sized businesses.
We've been in business now for about 24 years, and our goal in life is to provide a flat fee IT services product to clients of sizes 10 to 100 seats. We have a wide range of clients, accounting all the way to oil field services. We currently manage around 1,500 systems using Kaseya. That's a couple hundred servers and about 1,200 workstations.
So we've been using Kaseya for a little over 4 years. I think the most noticeable change to our operation would be that our technicians are in the office now at least 80% of the time.
Before, we were always, our guys were always out of the office. They were going site to site, one visit after another most of the day. You know, now with Kaseya fully deployed, we're primarily in the office, doing all of our support remotely, helping our customers quicker. They're waiting less to resolve these issues, and we're getting more done. Before we used Kaseya, we used a combination of different remote support tools, depending on the customer, depending on whether they had a server or not. It was very non-uniform, difficult to support, difficult to update and maintain. We didn't have the uniform ability to manage our infrastructure as a unit the way we do now.
Before selecting Kaseya as our partner, we tested 4 other RMM tools head-to-head with Kaseya, and Kaseya was the hands-down winner. It was intended to be a 30-day test, and 10 days in, it was so clear who the winner was that we actually just terminated the test and selected Kaseya.
What really made us appreciate Kaseya were the other tools that we were evaluating at the time. Tools that were less scalable, had a much higher, bar to meet in order to deploy and use these effectively. The real decision maker on using Kaseya at the time was how it scales from, a small customer with 1 or 2 PCs up to a large customer with 100 or 200 PCs. You just can't beat that. We made the switch to K2 about 6 months after initial release. One of the things we really like about K2 is the overhauled scripting engine. It was powerful before, and they've made it even better and more powerful. The other thing that we like is Live Connect. It allows us a much greater ability to manage an individual machine and even fix problems underneath a user without them being impacted or without us having to interrupt their day. It truly is over-the-shoulder remote support, even if you are at the other end of a phone.
Not every business model relies heavily on automation, but I think if a company is doing managed services, especially fixed fee managed services, automation is the key to success. There's no question.
In 5 to 10 years, it's going to matter a lot less what individual technologies people are using on a day-to-day basis. But one thing that isn't going to change is how quickly and effectively that users are going to want to be supported no matter where they are. And Kaseya is going to be the tool that allows us to do that. If you're using a different remote management or automation tool, you have to really ask yourself if it's powerful and flexible enough to meet your needs, and also scalable enough to be deployed in all of the situations that you need it. If your tool isn't all of those things, then you need to look at Kaseya, because not only will it do all of those things, but it'll do it very well.
I've lost count of the number of companies I've run across that have tried every other RMM tool and finally landed on Kaseya. Literally lost count. So my advice is check out Kaseya. It's number 1 for a reason.
My name is Sean Tyndall with Bulletproof Infotech in Red Deer, Alberta, Canada, and I'm a Kaseyan.
My name is Jeff Anderson, and I'm a Kaseyan.